Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change an action of the swipe action in Yahoo Mail app. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy and how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, we need to open our application, and here we have to tap on the three-line button. This opens the main panel, and here we have to open the settings by tapping on the settings button. We need to check on the message list settings, and the first option is the swipe actions. So let's open this, and here with the choose action button we can choose from 6 different actions by tapping on them. We can unstart them, we can spam or not spam, we can move to or mark as read or archive or delete the messages. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one.